What happens if you have a medical malpractice case that goes all the way to trial, and now the jury is out deliberating, trying to decide whether you are more likely right than wrong, that what you are claiming is true? What happens if it's a Friday afternoon and the jury is unable to reach their verdict at the end of Friday afternoon? Does the judge bring them into court on Saturday? And how about on Sunday? Will he bring them into court? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney. All right, I'm walking the beach and I have a few minutes to share this great information with you. It happens to be a Sunday morning here. And now I'm thinking, you know what? What happens when a jury is out deliberating and they have not been able to reach a decision yet as of Friday afternoon? Does the judge send them home and tell them to come back Monday? Does the judge tell them to come back on Saturday? And if they still haven't reached a decision, to come back on Sunday? Well, here's what really happens in a civil case in New York involving improper medical care and treatment. What happens is that at the end of the Friday, the judge is going to thank the jury for their service, and then he's going to send them home. He's going to tell them to return back to court on Monday morning. That's what happens in a civil case. This is not a criminal case where the judge might tell the jury to come back on Saturday morning, or he might tell the jury to come back on a Sunday morning. And this is not a federal case where the judge might have them do the same exact thing. Instead, this is a lawsuit seeking money as a form of compensation, and as a result of that, what happens? As a result of that, there's no need for the jury to come back over the weekend. So yes, they'll have time to think about it. They'll have time to think about what's going on, and now they'll come back fresh on Monday morning and continue their deliberations. So the mere fact that the jury has not yet reached a decision does not automatically mean that you're going to be kept over the weekend, because that's not what happens in civil lawsuits in New York. So why do I share this with you? I share this with you to give you a sense of what really goes on in these medical malpractice cases in New York. You know, I do recognize you're watching this video because you likely have questions or concerns about your own matter. Well, if your matter did happen in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit, but have not done so yet because you still have questions that need to be answered, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. You know, I answer questions like yours every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a great day.